So now let's see how we can utilize the Measure NPS block inside of wordpress.com. So to add a Measure NPS block, simply I'm going to go in between two blocks right here. And then let's say, for example, I'm simply going to go around and then click in between two blocks. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and type in NPS, as you can see, and Measure NPS is an option, as you can see right here. So now it says the block will appear as a pop-up window to people who have visited the page at least 2 times, as you can see right here. So let's just go ahead and let's say, for example, do you like this website? Let's say, for example, right here, just like this. If I were to go ahead and save this, now what happens is that it'll get updated. So just like this, it'll be updated right here. Let me just go around and click on save for that. And once that is done, once it's actually updated over here, I'm going to go around and preview this particular page. And once I do that, you can see the scale right there. So over here, you can see that it says it will appear to people who have visited this at least 2 times. So it's not there yet, as you can see right here. So right under this block, it should be actually shown out. So if I were to go ahead and refresh, then it won't show again. So let's just go ahead and refresh once more. And now you can see that as I visited it 2 times, it has the likelihood scale right here. So now you can simply go ahead and submit. And let's say, for example, add in a comment to understand the rating as well. So I'm just going to go around and add it in. So that is what you have. You can go ahead and then you get the likelihood scale right there as you visited it more than 2 times. So that is how you can utilize the Measure NPS block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.